Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to send SMS via ClickSend to specified number when form is submitted via Cognito Forms. So the idea here is that whenever a new form is submitted in Cognito Forms, automatically an SMS should be sent to a specified number. But here the question is, how is it possible? Because there is no direct connection between Cognito Forms and ClickSend. So first let us check this in the real time, and then I'll be telling you how we are going to create an integration between Cognito Forms and ClickSend. So this is my Cognito form where I have asked for the first name, last name of the user along with email address and the phone number. So now I want that whenever any of the user fills this particular form, automatically he should receive an SMS on his mobile number. So I'll just give the name as Adam. Let's give the last name as Smith. Let us add the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let us add the phone number over here along with the country code. And let's click on Submit. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. Okay, now let us check whether this particular user has received any message or not. Okay, and here we can see a new message. I'll open this message. Hello Adam Smith, thanks for signing up. One of our team members will contact you shortly, Team Pabbly. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this particular form and how the message is sent on the mobile number of the user. So this has become possible just by creating an integration. So now I'll be telling you how I have created an integration and how the user has received this particular message. So for creating an integration and automation between Cognito Forms and ClickSend, I have used a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Cognito Forms with ClickSend automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. Here we have used two software applications. One is Cognito Forms, which is a form building software application. So in place of Cognito Forms, we can use JotForms, Pabbly Form Builder, Google Forms or any other form building software application. Whereas ClickSend is a messaging platform. In place of ClickSend, we can also use OmniSend, Twilio or any other SMS or messaging platform. So here in this video, we are going to learn how we can create an integration between Cognito Forms and ClickSend using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have a free account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, click on this plus sign, Create Workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So here I have given the workflow name as Cognito Forms and ClickSend integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement also and simply click on Create. So here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Cognito form is filled, automatically a message or a SMS should be sent to the specified customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Cognito Forms. In the trigger event, we have to select new entry. Here we can see a webhook URL. So for creating an integration between Cognito Form and Pabbly Connect, we have to use this webhook URL. So I'll just take you to my Cognito Forms. So this is my Cognito Forms dashboard. Here I have created a form, sign up form. I'll just click on build. Here I have asked for the first name, last name, email address and phone number of the user. So for creating the integration, come to the submission settings. And here we can find post JSON data to a website. Simply click on this. So here we can find submit entry endpoint. We are going to paste the same webhook URL which we have seen in Pabbly Connect. So simply copy this webhook URL, go back to the form, and here you have to submit the same webhook URL. Make sure you have on this particular option, okay? And now click on save. Okay, it is saved now. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see it is waiting for the webhook response. So I'll just go to the form, and from here I'll just click on publish. I'll just open this particular form, and let us just fill the details over here. Let us give the first name as Shikha, last name as Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com. And let's give the phone number. Here we can see the instruction. Please enter mobile number with country code. So I'll just add the country code of India, and I'll add the mobile number over here. Okay, and let's click on submit. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. Okay, so we have filled the form. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see the responses received, and all the details that we have filled in the form are captured over here. Okay, I'll just show you. Here we can find the first name, first and last name. Okay, here we can find the email address, phone number, and all the details. Now we want to send an SMS to this particular customer. For that, come to this action window, and here in the application name, we are going to select Click Send. In the action event, let us select Send SMS. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the username and API key. For that, we have to go to the ClickSend account. So this is the dashboard of ClickSend account. Here we can find the developers option. Simply click on this, and here we can find API credentials. I'm going to click on API credentials, and here we can find the API credentials. So I'm going to use this particular username. I'll simply copy this username from here. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'll paste the username over here. Now it is asking for the API key. Again, let us go to ClickSend account, and here I'll simply click on copy. The API key is copied. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and we are going to paste the API key over here. Now let's click on save, and the ClickSend is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here it is asking for the number. So enter the mobile phone number. We have already got the number from the form over here. So we are going to map this mobile number now. Let us map the mobile number from Cognito Forms, and the mobile number is, I'll scroll down. This is the mobile number. Okay. Now here we can see that +91 country code is already added to the number, so we don't have to do anything. If the country code is missing, simply add the country code before the mobile number. Okay. Now from, so let us read the instructions. From number, use a ClickSend dedicated number that you have purchased. If you don't have a ClickSend number, leave it blank. So here you have to mention the dedicated number that you have purchased from ClickSend. So I'm just leaving it as blank right now. Okay. Now here we have to give the message. What message do you want to send on the mobile number? So I have added the message over here. Hello, thanks for signing up. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Team Pabbly. So after hello, I want to add the name of the customer. So I'll just add the customer name from Cognito Forms. And we have got the customer name details over here. That was Shikha Arya, first and last name. Let us map this. Okay. You can drop the message as per your requirement over here. Scheduled at, I'm just leaving it as blank. It is not mandatory. And custom string also, I'm just leaving it as blank. And now let us click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received. So let us check the mobile number of this particular customer, that is Shikha Arya. So I'll just take you to the mobile number, and from here we can see a new message. Let us open this message. Hello Shikha Arya, thanks for signing up. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Team Pabbly. So here we can see that the message is displayed to the customer. Now let us check this in the real time. For that, again we will go to the Cognito form, and we will fill the details of any other customer now. So this is the Cognito form. Let us fill the name as Sanjay and last name as Sharma. Let's give the email address as Sanjay Sharma 23@gmail.com. Let's give the phone number over here, adding the country code. And let's click on Submit. Thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. Okay. So now let us check whether this specified person and the number has received the message or not. I'll just go to the mobile and I'll open the messages. And here we can see a new message. Hello Sanjay Sharma. Thanks for signing up. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Team Pabbly. So here we can see that the correct message is displayed over here. Okay, now let's move back to Pabbly Connect. So let us just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Now I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. I'll minimize this one also. So in this use case, we want that whenever a new form is submitted into the Cognito Forms, automatically an SMS should be sent on the specified number. And here we have created a successful integration between Cognito Forms and ClickSend using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.